My name is Eric Martinez, and this is my final presentation for Business 350. My lifestyles group was in the midlife success category, with the cosmopolitan subcategory being the targets for the advertising. The advertisement is by Tiffany Company, a company that sells diamonds, diamond rings, and other related paraphernalia. The advertisement features a couple, obviously very much in love, with the implication that the man has just proposed to the woman. The backdrop is New York City, evidenced by the urban landscape in the back and by the stenciling on the taxi right behind the couple. Why does this advertisement target this particular demographic? Well, because success in midlife is normally determined by financial stability and marriage to a loved one. Diamonds, especially the brand in question, are expensive and indicative of financial success. New York City is renowned for urban living and its cosmopolitan nature. This advertisement also targets demographics aspiring to this romanticized ideal. The first of our theories in relation to consumer buying decisions is reasoned action. The theory is centered upon pre-existing notions in decision making. In this instance, the pre-existing notions surrounding diamonds are marriage, love, and, as mentioned before, financial success. Specifics are critical. Consumers only take action where specific results are required, according to the theory. The advertisement utilizes a specific product that has pre-existing notions of both luxury and marriage connotations. It features two people with the implied notion of love and urban success, with specific emphasis on where they are from and what is taking place. The second is EKB theory. It utilizes a four-component process to consumer decision making: information processing, the central control unit of the self, decision processing, and external influences. Information processing and external influences are where marketers exert the most influence. The advertisement conveys specific information on the company's longevity and, by extension, expertise about the diamond industry, and attempts to equate the brand with love and marriage. External influences are limited, but the suggestion that attractive cosmopolitan couples would choose the brand would be effective in attracting couples that style themselves in that manner. Our third theory is the motivation needs theory. This is adopted from Abraham Maslow's hierarchy of needs. The hierarchy is a pyramidal scheme which features baser needs such as food and shelter at the bottom, and an ascending scale ending with self-actualization at the top. Attempts to convince consumers of the importance of products, aligning their messages to resonate with the baser needs of the pyramid, instilling a sense of need and urgency in the consumer to purchase the product. The advertisement aligns itself with the need of love, and not in a very subtle manner. The implication is that the Tiffany brand is part and parcel with every love story. Our fourth theory is the Hawkins-Stearns impulse buying. The theory states that other decision-making theories have merit, but are always accompanied by bouts of impulse purchases that do not fit the decision-making models. The four categories of impulse buying are pure impulse, with an example of purchasing a candy store at a grocery checkout line; reminded impulse, such as pairing hot dogs with hot dog buns; suggested impulse, with an example of a salesman offering a warranty with a new top-of-the-line TV; and planned impulse, in which an advertiser targets a demographic that was already inclined or planning on buying a product, and the marketer is simply capitalizing on this preconceived plan. The advertisement plays on planned impulse principles, marketing to couples who most likely have a mind to buy an engagement ring or are actively searching for one is a shrewd way to incur a planned impulse buy. The effect would be exacerbated by the association with the need of love. Our last theory is the Veblennian social psychological model. The theory states that humans, being social creatures, conform to the standards of their culture and subculture. Individual needs and desires are created by group membership, and group trends are influenced by persons of elite status or of high socioeconomic status. Diamonds are already seen as symbols of status, and most individuals of cosmopolitan stature would most likely own one. However, this theory applies to individuals or couples that are aspiring to the cosmopolitan stature, as they would attempt to emulate the social subculture both in behavior and purchasing. Our conclusion is that the advertisement is appealing to what is essentially an emotional event, possibly the most emotional in the human experience, and it would be better served by a more effective appeal to pathos. This is not feasible in print and would be better served in televised or internet advertising. Featuring a time-lapse of the couple's relationship, both before and after the moment of proposal, would accentuate the brand's assertion of being a part of the couple's love story and broaden emotional appeal. This would include the first date, showing the couple at their 50th wedding anniversary, the birth of their children, really encompassing the entirety of the love story rather than just one specific moment. The advertisement could also carry a certain aesthetic quality by showing the scenes that were just described in different points in time in American history, from the founding of Tiffany Company to the present day, giving the impression of the longevity of the company in tune with American life and American marriages. I thank you for your time. This is Eric Martinez signing off.